Style and performance are hallmark of the Ferrari brand. In terms of performance, the 2013 Ferrari 458 Spider convertible will likely take the breath away from even the most jaded of drivers. The 458 Spider features a power retractable hardtop that opens and closes in just 14 seconds, according to Ferrari. The fully power retractable hardtop, which maintains the coupe's appearance when raised, then magically disappear behind the cabin when lowered. Unlike other such roof, this one doesn't come with an excessive amount of weight, and unlike awkward-looking soft top fitted to the old F430 Spider, rearward visibility is also improved. A glass wind deflector automatically raises and lowers between the head restraint for maximum comfort during an open-air driving. The 458 Spider architecture was developed around the retractable hardtop concept with the aim of delivering exceptional handling, safety, and lightness. Several different types of aluminum alloy are used to make the 458 Spider chassis, each one with its own specific function. The result delivers absolutely exceptional performance. In terms of aerodynamics, the 458 Spider sets a new benchmark for convertible models. Taking inspiration from F1 single-seater, Ferrari engineers focused their design energies on aerodynamic efficiency, specifically on reducing drag and increasing downforce. Up front, you see the bi-xenon headlamp. Integrated into the headlamp is the LED daytime running lamp, as well as the LED turn signal lamp. Looks really nice. Cornering light, as well as high-intensity retractable headlight washer located right under each headlight. The nose features two small aeroelastic winglets which generate downforce at the front of the car, and as speed rises, deform to reduce the section of the radiator inlet and cut drag. And the Ferrari logo located in between the two winglets. The front look really nice. This model comes with 20-inch fork rims, 20 by 8.5 in front, with 235/35 tires. Behind the center wheel is the huge ventilated ceramic disc brake with 6-piston brake caliper painted in red with Ferrari lettering on it. Can stop from 60 to 0 in a short 107.6 feet. Ferrari badge located on each fender, as well as turn signal light. Body color side view mirror. The rear also comes with 20 by 10.5 wheels with 295/35 tires, as well as ceramic disc brake with rain-painted brake caliper with Ferrari lettering on it as well. Alright, this is where the powerful engine are located, with a lot of air vents for air to come out. At the same time, also make it look really aggressive. Here's the cornering light for the rear. To the back, you see the LED tail lamp, LED brake lamp, as well as LED turn signal lamp. At the bottom, you find the rear diffuser and the triple round chrome tip exhaust that makes the Ferrari sound like no other. Rear fog lights are also integrated into the rear diffuser, one on each side. Alright, and the fuel cap is located on the passenger side. Alright, let's check out the interior. This model comes in red exterior, and interior features black leather seats with suede insert and red pinstripe on the center of the seat, black on the dash as well as door panels, with red contrast stitching throughout the interior. Looks really nice. Alright, let's check out the engine now. This is always my favorite part when doing the review. Alright, let's start it up and give it a few revs. Under the hood, the 458 Spider is powered by the 4.5 liter V8 engine that was named International Engine of the Year for 2012. It delivers absolutely exceptional performance and is the state-of-the-art in terms of engine technology. Pushing out 570 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 199 mph for the Spider, and the coupe can top out at 202 mph. A 7-speed dual clutch transmission is controlled only by the paddle shifter on the steering wheel. Alright, now let's take a detailed look at the interior. Here's the door panels, JBL surround sound system. Red contrast stitching is all around the door, with shaded insert in the middle. And here's how you open the door. Just pull it up. Storage compartment. Ferrari aluminum door sill. Aluminum sport pedals. Alright, just pull this lever here to get access to the engine. Alright, let's take a look at the steering wheel. The 3-spoke race-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with red contrast stitching all around. Here is the flat bottom. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience. You can control your light controlled, suspension controlled, engine start and stop button. Over to the right, you can change your driving mode here. Put it in race mode. Behind the steering wheel is the set of paddle shifter for the dual clutch transmission for a faster, aggressive ride. It also features tilt and telescopic steering column. And here's a look to the dash. Very nice. Over here we have the driver side air vent, and you can control your side view mirror here. Light controlled. And the dash is also wrapped in leather with red contrast stitching as well. Here's the dual air vent, multimeter controlled, dual climate controlled. Alright, cup holder, emergency hazard light, window controlled, and the hardtop control button right next to the window controller. Here we have the little storage compartment with the 12-volt power outlet. And here's a closer look to the seat. Looks really nice. Alright, there you have your 458 Spider badge, located on the driver's side in the driver's side air vent. Here's the driver's side door panel. Very nice sports seat. Also have the Ferrari emblem embossed on the headrest. Up here we have the light control. Universal garage door opener. Sun visor. Also comes with red contrast stitching. The 458 Spider cabin is a seamless combination of comfort and elegance. The Ferrari design has lavished meticulous attention on both space and ergonomics, as well as on finish and trims as befit the car's positioning within the range. The 458 Spider retained the 458 Italia focus on ensuring the driver feels at every center of the car with a Formula One cockpit style driver layout which is designed specifically to minimize the driver hands movement to complete concentration and focus on the road at all times. The double curvature roof and seating are also ergonomically designed so that every taller individual of over 6'4" can be easily and comfortably accommodated. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like the 458 Sparta. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. I'll see you guys next time.